In this presentation, I'm going to go ahead and talk about how we can create the app campaigns. In the previous presentation, we have learned what is the overview of app campaigns, and this time we're going to go ahead and practically create the app campaigns. And that's really very easy, trust me, and has a very effective way. But you should only try the app campaigns when you have a very good budget. Like approximately you should have the day budget, at least on a daily basis you have to spend 15 to 20,000 minimum. Then you can try your app campaigns. It's not like that it won't post or publish. It's like you won't get that much of effects through app campaigns if you don't have a good budget on your daily basis. So make sure you should have a good budget and then you are going for this. So let's create it. It's a new campaign. Once I hit on new campaign, we'll go and hit on create a campaign without a goals guidance. Then we go to app, and inside the app you need to select the options. Select the campaign subtype. Is it app installs or app engagement? What exactly you want? Suppose I want app installs. App engagement, get existing users to take actions in your app, which means, as I already told you in the previous presentation, that what is app engagement? In this, you want your customers to engage with your applications, or do you want the more installations of your applications? Suppose this time we are going with app installs. Then now second option says select your mobile apps platform. Is it Android or iOS? Suppose this is Android. And your application, this time suppose I'm going with Amazon. Suppose this time I'm going with Amazon, and I'll say continue and testing app campaign. Testing app campaign. I have given the name. Then similarly you will select your locations. Then obviously you can go over languages. I'll go with all languages. Then you need to decide your budget. Suppose this time I'll go with 2,000. Else you can, as I told you, the minimum criteria that should be, if you want good effects, minimum criteria should be 15 to 20,000 so that you can get a very good effects. Then we have bidding. What you want to focus on, install volume or in-app actions. Now, why the second is the in-app actions? That's great. The first is install volume, as we know that we are giving the focuses on volume. I mean, we are giving the focus on more installations. But what exactly we want that, but secondly, as of now we have selected we want the more installations of our applications, but second option says in-app actions. That's grayed out. Why? Because I have told you in the previous presentation that you need to have your developer help. Why? Because he would be the only person who knows how to integrate your application with your Google Ad account, because he will use some coding and he will integrate that. So that's your in-app action. Once you do that, your in-app actions would be ungraded. Then it says what kind of users you want to target. All users. Secondly, users likely to perform in an app action. That would only go for the second choice. I mean, when the developer fixes the coding. As of now, we'll go for all users. Set a target cost per install. That's your optional. Now, target cost per install. What is the target of your cost per install? Suppose if a person install the application, I want to pay 50 rupees to Google. Your budget is too low for a target. Suppose let's make it 100. Still it's too low, but that's okay. Then you have start and end dates. If you want to select a date, up to you. If you want to select a date, as of now I'll go with none. Then show in advance. Again, you have data feed, which we'll learn later. I'll just save and continue. I believe I did not leave anything. Yeah. Then we have set up our group. We'll set up our group. I'll say it's a test group. Test group. Then we have our add assets. Now, what we need to do is we need to set our headlines. Suppose I select the headline as best online shopping app. Then the second one I'll go with install the app now. Minimum 2 headings are required, right? Then up to you if you want to go with third or not. Then we need to put the description as well. That is, required. That's a required fee. So let's suppose I go for best in, or suppose I say like online shopping. Whoops, it's not shooting, it's shopping. Online shopping. Install the Amazon now. Similarly, I'll put the second thing in description. Now let's leave the now. That's it. Now you can add the images as well, videos as well, and HTML. If you have HTML kind of files, then you can add them. As of now, I'm just adding the images. You can upload it from here, or you can use the recently one. Suppose I'll go with this one. I'll just save. And if you want more images, you can go ahead and use the images too. Then we have videos. You can search on YouTube. You can use the recently videos, and you can use assets too. Suppose I'll search with Amazon, or I'll select this. And one more time, suppose I go with any other. One more. Let's select 2 to 3. One more. All right, save. I have selected 4 videos. Now look at this. Now it says in the display, it would look like this. In the search ads, it would look like this. Google has automatically done everything by itself. I did not need to do anything. Then we have on the YouTube, it would look like this. The videos which I have selected. Then we have Discover ads, which would look like this, the Discovery ads. Then it would look like on the Google Play Store, it would look like this. Everything is done by itself. I did not need to do anything. Isn't it cool that we did not do anything, but yes, everything is done. I'll just save and continue. And then I just confirm it, and it's done. This is how you can go ahead and create your the app campaign. And it's quite easy. If I go to my campaigns, and if I go to my testing app campaign. So this is my app campaign, testing app campaign, and this is the overview. If I go into the ad groups, this is my ad group. And if I go into my ads, that's how it would look like, my ads. Everything. Headline, description, image, YouTube videos, everything. It's still in pending. Why? Because I have just uploaded it. And this is how, and this is super easy, and we did not do anything. We just entered some data, and that's it. Google has done everything by itself, like how it would look like on display, how it would look like on YouTube, how it would look like on Discovery ads, the search ads, the Google Play, everything. And that's the best thing about the app campaigns. You will get so effective results if you have a good bidding too. Your content is really important, same as your bidding. Make sure you should have a very good budget. If you have a budget like 1,500, 2,000 on a daily basis, I'm not so sure that you will get effective result, because I have personally tried it. We do have so make sure you should have a very good budget, just like Amazon and Flipkart. Not that much, but yeah, roundabout. Yeah, that's it for now. I have let you know how we can create the app campaign, and yeah, keep on practicing for the same, and I'll see you in the next lecture.